and I'm speaking here at the WordPress Meetup. I've been coming here since a half year, and I really like this and the people and everything. So that's why I wanted to contribute and talk about something very practical.
Can you speak a little louder?
Okay, I speak a little louder. Shall I repeat it again?
No.
Yeah? Okay. I'll start to tell a little bit things about myself. Back in the day, I was adopted from South Korea to Norway. I changed my name from that to this. None of them is easy, but it works out fine. And luckily, I kept my team continental functions every day. It's a metaphor. And I'm still so that I want to talk about how to move a WordPress site to another domain and database. I went to the WordPress Codex, and there I read everything I'm going to tell you today, and there's a really lot of pages to read, but I'm going to break this down in five steps. And now I'm starting to tell about the steps. So one, you have to take the backup of your WordPress database tables and files. This is how I did it. My internet hosts had PHP my admin, so I went into there and exported the tables. I also got the files from my site. I think I should tell the site I was getting the files from. That could be a good idea. So that's it. Okay.
What?
How do I find the internet?
I find the webs. See? We need that.
Yeah, there's this is the site. Just a simple, ordinary, simple site with a few pages and a contact form and stuff. So this was the contents.
Yeah, you can do it on the top right corner. There's
I'm not a Mac person.
No.
I think you. There. Exactly. So, all the files and tables you took down from this step, you can upload it again on the new server, the same way. And then you can use the search and replace function. It's a file that you can download through codex.wordpress /moving_WordPress. There's a link there. I can show it to you later if you want. And then you can just download this file. And you have to rename it to replace, for instance. I rename it because of some security holes. If you keep the same name as the file we download, there will be easier to search it on the internet to find it and replace all, because this is replacing can replace all of your links in the tables, the database tables. Anyway, you're gonna put this PHP file in the root of your installation on your new site, the site you want to move to. Then you're going to refer the file in web browser to the main, and here's the easiest part. You're just going to follow the steps. So it's going to follow some steps, and it's really very easy to understand, just like putting in your database name and username and the password. Here you replace all the old links, as I showed you earlier, to the new site. In this case, would be doubles. Then it's completed. And then you're going to take the BP configuration file up from your new site, and you're going to replace the database name, user and password in here. And then at the fifth and last step, you have to delete this replace PHP file, because there is this, or secure. So you didn't show me how to
Oh.
back again.
Just press escape.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanted to do this live today, but it took kind of a little bit longer than showing it as a presentation. Yeah, so here's it's the same site in a new domain on another database. Yeah, smart. Yeah, test it. Yeah. I don't hope that was too fast and furious. I had to mention Paul Joachim. He was saying that there's something other tool that can be used for transparent sites.
I've been mentioning Duplicator, which basically is a plugin. You just install it, and it will create a package. It will zip up your whole site, the WordPress site, everything in it. You can download it to your desktop. You can have it as a backup. You can upload it to any domain you want. It has an installer.php file, and then the zip package with the whole site. You would just go to your new domain and /installer.php, and you would just run through the steps of installing the new site. And you need a database information for a new site. So it's a very simple way to do it. Yeah.
Quick question: does it contain permission information as well?
It has everything in it, and you can just make a new admin user and stuff like that. You don't need to do anything with the permission stuff at all there. Because as I said, it will just create a package of the whole site, and you can just keep it as a backup or just put it on another site. But as I said, you have to make a new database for the new site.
Of course.
Yeah. And then you can just add a new username, stuff like that. So that you don't have to touch permissions at all. So, and I said it's a very simple way of backing up, cloning a site, moving it to another place. So I'd recommend trying that out. And also on Meetup, I put a link to my website. I've created a video tutorial So if you're wondering what it is, just check out the tutorial and you'll get a feel for what it does and how easy it is to use. So, yeah.
This is easy to do. This is really easy, and it's kind of breaks down all the things that's here from the codex. Almost everything except for the multi-site. I'm not from a designer's perspective. I'm not technically, especially not so good at. I'm not a developer and stuff, but I found this really easy to use the search and replace thing. So I would highly recommend it. Also, as I said, there's only 5 steps. Yes?
Since I've never moved sites before, but if you want to move it just to another, if you've changed the owner of the domain, you just want it to move to another database, another register, you won't have to do the replace thing, of course, because the links will be the same. So you just go to my PHP, my admin, and copy a thing, and then just upload it, and it's all done. It's that easy. I was just worried how difficult it would be to move a site, and I thought it would be a lot of application, but I just use the PHP, the database.
Difficulty to search and replace, because you got to make sure, like the options, sometimes they're serialized, and so you got to make sure that your search and replace tool does serialized data.
Right, but that would only be used. I only need it if the domain name changed.
Yeah,
So
correct.
if it's just moving, then it's really simple.
Yeah.
Nothing to worry about.
Yes.
Okay.
And now, like in the start, when I try to moving stuff, sometimes it breaks. Sometimes my pages look like there's a HTML site from WordPress where everything will just
Stack up.
top
Yeah.
in a stack in a long page. So
What would you do? Just try again, or?
yeah, go back again and try again. Did I say thank you?